Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. Long time I'm come on live. It's been a while since I blessed my face on here. Oh Lord. Where are my people? Just want to have a little chit chat moment with you guys. But I don't know, where are the notification gangs? Alright, so here with me tonight is my sister. You haven't met this one as yet. Say hello to the live sister. Hi. She's a bit shy, you know. Alright, so she's the third one from my mommy. I call her my big sister. Even though I'm older than her, she bigger than me. She taller than me. So I'm my big sister. This is sad though. Normally, even one person would have been on the live by now. But because I've graduated this live or this platform, people don't really used to me coming live in a long time. No one? One person is there, them gone, left me. Hey, Vibe with Jamaicans, welcome to the live stream. How are you doing? I wish I could play music here, like TikTok. TikTok have a buzz. Not true. I'm just gonna stay here 5 minutes, and if no one comes, I'm gonna delete this live and go back to my TikTok. Show my phone. Okay. Yeah, stress me. Yeah, laugh after me. Look, you tell me they are good. I know allergy not act up. As my company life, mean allergies are act up. When people them they know, so okay. Things are different. Guys, my makeup look me down. Guys, did you watch the makeup video? I did my sister makeup and I tell her say it's the bomb. The makeup nice. I can search for that. Leslie Griffin is Griffin. Leslie Griffin. What's up? Outfit. What does that mean? Anyway, guys, as I was saying, can you check out the video? The makeup video that I did on my sister.
Yes, guys.
My tell you, sir, the sickest makeup ever. The outfit of the day is this. Just wearing a simple outfit. A little, we call this crop top. A crop top. And a little tights. That's all. If that what you meant. Heather. This is cute. Thank you. Oh, you want to see my sister? Other girl, my sister. They would like to see your. We didn't dress up enough. You know, one night and we're home, so we just put on something. Anyways. Malaka lika adashwe. Son of my see sister. blade. So my sister tummy is a bit puffy. She has a baby. So you know, say when you have a baby, your belly take a little time to go down, right? So nobody watch our belly. Too close. She's shy. Yes, and this is a wine. She's not pregnant. She had a baby recently. Thank you. Can you show your full outfit, please? Check my name, Maudlin. My sister, she's asking if you want to see her full outfit. Thank you. It's time for it to pull out now, you know. My accent. Thank you very much. Even though I have a list and people always tell me that I love my accent, and I'm like, really? Really? You don't hear the tie up tongue? Your outfit too. I didn't see the full thing. Oh, so you'd like to see our outfits? Can you show me? Or you want to see your outfit? Alright, one question. Leslie, were you on my TikTok live? Yes. I'm going to show you her son. My lashes. Thank you. Alright, so here's my sister baby. It's natural. Okay. Thank you for coming over here with me. I really appreciate that. Well, normally I would have more people on my YouTube live, but because I've been absent for a while now, so now that I am live, I don't know where they are. But I know. So the baby is 8 months old. How old is the baby? Nephew. Sit, sister. Sit down now. Come sit down with TJ. No, you have to sit down. Come on. I'm giving your auntie. I'm an aunt. Come on, TJ. But I don't think that the baby can stay much on the live because of YouTube policy. What is it? Got your titty. One for your titty. One for your titty. I don't want a titty. Me don't want a titty. I have one daughter. Sunday will be her birthday. My daughter is going to be 8. Oh, this is my baby. This is my daughter. And they're coming. They're knocking on the door. I'm not going to open the door. This crap. It's not. Give him money, embrace. Yes, I do have Instagram, and you can find me on Instagram at Ken_herself_. Damn, me still don't like me nice and not ever put on one ad panel on the live. I'm coming. Icham. We have 6 persons watching and only 1 person commenting. No, if you ever change your mind, believe in me, baby. Please do not cry. No. Hey, Sugar, live with the Taylors. What's up, mama? Live with the Taylor. Do you have TikTok? TikTok have a buzz, you know. I think TikTok nicer than this platform. Hey, Papa. Hey, how you doing? How you doing? Me there too. Me just go on clutch. You know, I was on TikTok live and then I said, you know what? Let me go over to YouTube because I haven't done a live here in a while. How is your channel going? Hello, sir. Move your head out of my live. Leslie, are you still there? Battery low. Laptop is about to turn off. This is not nice. I want to check my phone. That's great. You know that I haven't received my pin as yet. So if you see me post video after the 10th of this month and you see no ad, just know say my channel demonetized. After 4 months, right? If they send you the pin and the 4 months pass, your channel will automatically become demonetized. Hey sis, how's of your wagwan? Here is my sister. Say hello to the vlog. Hi. So guys, you see how hard Kenny worked for her channel to be monetized, and now it is so hard for me to get the pin. They sent out the pin from the I think it was the 10th of March. My pin was sent out from the 10th of March and we're in June now and I haven't received it. Anyways, they said that I could request the pin again, right? So on the 29th of May, I request the pin. They told me that within 2 weeks to a month, I should receive the pin. If I don't receive the pin, you know what I say? I'm not gonna get any ads. And I may give up my channel.
No, you wouldn't.
I may sell my channel.
No, you're not.
I won't.
No. You got to believe in Jesus.
I do believe in Christ, but they don't send off they send off the pin and they can't reach me. So everything is turning off. My laptop is low.
Okay.
I do have faith. My faith is small as a mustard seed.
So you just use the one literally.
Alright, so I'm going to wait and hope for the best. What if it doesn't come?
It will.
Listen, what if it doesn't come?
It will.
Alright. I guess me lack faith. Yeah, joker. Nice to see you, sis. Sister My YouTube sister said that it's nice to see you. She said if you guys like the makeup that I did on her, she love it. She loves it. Oh my god. Guess what the girl played this song I know in my head. I got, you know, CD just I go so scratch.
Yeah. See the thing? You were playing gospel first, right?
And then
Why the
Satan,
gospel now repeat
in my
later?
head, Satan just sending, he could put it in my password. I said, some girl now, oh baby. Me I play gospel for the TikTok live, you know, man. And me say, the gospel song not embedded in my brain, you know. And the Dexter Dab song where say put it in like password and make you you know that song there? And that in my head and I give me a vibe. You don't know the kind of vibe there? But the blood of Jesus against Satan. I'm a Christian. Alright, so my phone on charge. The laptop turned off. I can't get to put any ad on this live. Excuse me. Hello. YouTube no like when baby talking in a video, you know. So me I beg you please to be quiet. Okay. I'm not able to see any more comments because my laptop battery died on my next phone. So with that said, guys, I'm a bit downhearted knowing that I work so hard. I toil day and night and me can't get me pin. Me upset. Me not tell no lie. Me upset. And the fact that the ads are going to come off of my video. So me not going to make no money. And I have made a lot of money since me get monetized. So I know me can't bother. Yeah, bother. Papi. Mommy. Need some? Who is that? What do you want? Sure. Okay. Don't give up, Ken. Honestly, she needs to fire that make. I'm coming, sis. They say fire me. It's on you? Just no, stop. Move that back. I must say jump me jump. No, me not jump. Shanita have a rug, Maya? Shanita have a rug? Say no, mommy, why you dry the nose so? But now you're not trouble in the camp now with this shit. One time to them come you can't leave me guess them unattended. Tishana, one babe. Love you. Ma. Tell Tishana to come.
Guys, I'm nursing right now.
Go back, I'm on a live. Go. Tell Tishana to come.
I'm nursing.
Alright, one babe. Tishana is okay. Sure, then pick the argument page up, you know. Take stuff, come show your face. Oh, she go live and I don't know. Maybe I don't have the notification. As I go, the bell on. Alright, no problem. Oh, you're doing mommy duties. Yeah, she's suckling her baby. Tell me how you doing. Sweetie, I'm okay. It's just that I'm a bit disgruntled because I don't get my pinners yet. And they kind of have me away. Most of my work so hard to get monetized and, you know, open for the pin. I called the post office numerous times. I even went there in person. And only to hear that they have received other pins, but them not receive mine. Well, you know, I know that I found the information don't pin well. Or you don't get the pin. You check up on me sometime, man. Check up on Cammy. Someone run across your mind. Even when I get the notification, ping or bing. If you think about me, think about Good I like time when I come on YouTube going to think about me, man. I was one of them thing a while ago. You know, I told you not to be a stranger, you know. A true. Tech, me have me list down. Tech stuff are true. You told me. But to be honest, there was a point where I was so depressed. Me not go on nobody's channel. Me not ever post. I was so caught up in my feeling. But you know, me take time I come back out. So you'll see me. You will see me. When is my princess Maya? She just gonna bed. House of Yorks, Maya birthday will be on Sunday. And because I know how you've been the past few months, I had to chill and call you all the time. Yes, that's true. That is so true. Well, you gotta come at them and move fast. Staying in the house will stress you out. Indeed, it has been stressing me. It has been stressing me out. So guys, my birthday will be on Sunday, and I'm planning on keeping a little party for her. Nothing big because I don't know how the money thing go. Yeah. So it's gonna be a little party. I may do a live, not sure, but definitely I'll do a small vlog. I left it. Love you. Until love you, baby. Jordan, hi. You lock up in your mind, in your room and all. That's true. In my mind, in the room, it just clustered. Me just lock up like I'm in a little box. Yes, also, I will definitely keep you posted, sis.
Thanks to her sister.
Can look like you're ready for another. Me say, I'm ready a long time, but the boy I play. The boy I play. Sis, we talk about things on fire. Maya will be 8. Maya turn 8. And look on flat belly and all these things. But I need to come so now. We need to start walk with baby so. Oh my word. We need to start. Give me emoji.
Guys, Jamaica,
Guys,
sister go hard.
my sister gone 3. And my sister younger than me. I full time. That's what. Where is good? That's what we need. That's what we need to start. Why? When I send somebody come give me. Whee! I behave myself, yeah. Can look like you're ready for another one. I do. You find me in Instagram. You need one phone or something for read the comments. I'm gonna move very fast. Oh, let me get my data tablet. I'm coming. Sit calm. Sit right here. I'm make TJ see over there. I'll be back. I'll be back. Guys, let me go and get my data tablet because the comments are moving too fast. I'm coming. Come on, 1,000 people them. At least sit down. You don't have to say no and just sit down and read the comments when they come. Just sit down, man. But people them not biting and they're very nice. Hurry, hurry, I'm coming. Hurry.
Mommy.
I am back. So let me introduce you to another member of my family.
What?
It's a ring light. So here is my beautiful niece Tishana. Mwah. Troublesome child. This
Tissue outside and pull out the ear.
Tishy, why you pull up here? No, we cannot watch that on the live, baby. We cannot. Tishy,
You know, so tissue and pull out the ear.
you know, so this feel like more than one. A two, this man can tell. Tishy, right now, I'm not gonna have twisted the glass already too. Get them in trouble. Is that what you mean? Okay. Fix your face, fix your face.
So guys, this is the
She's the second one. She's the second one for my sister. Yes, we know that you are the last one. I didn't introduce you officially. No, I know your time yet. So one of them people. Leave the tablet, baby. She's cute. Thank you, sis. Say thank you. She said that you're cute. Say thank you. Say thank you. They can hear you, but you can't hear them. Say thank you. Nah, but I buy no juice for you.
Thank you, Mama.
Say thank you. Say thank you. Louder. Say it louder. Say thank you. You want chicken? You don't want some chicken? You don't want none? Eat chicken already? They're not good. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. You think I have party with me I give you? No, me I go watch my live. I'm going to watch us. Who is this?
Mommy.
Mommy and auntie on the same mommy.
Mommy.
Mommy and auntie on the same mommy.
Mommy.
Mommy and auntie. Alright, so she is 2 years old. How old are you? You don't know? She's 2. She's so troublesome. Look at yourself up there. Look at you. You need to be here.
You make me stronger.
I'm hoping to interrupt your life. Is it still going? No. Leave it. Do not touch it. It seems like something wrong with it. You stop? See when I'm not see myself and move right here. Wait, baby. You know, like. So I'm gonna like the life I'm using the phone, you know. I could slap it more than focus. But I can see 4 persons. Guys, let me know if you're hearing me because someone is calling. Yeah, interrupted the live. Go on the bed, baby. Go around there and go on the bed. No, you soon get it. I soon end the live. Someone called and interrupted the live. So let me know if you're hearing me. Okay, good. Can you see me? Am I moving? Because on my screen, I'm frozen. Hello, excuse me. Stop the noise on my life. Oh, I don't like this. Leave your sister. All right, sis. Let me look. I'm going to end this live and start another one. Just a few minutes though. How do I end this live? Mute microphone.
Bye.